Come get it. Stand up. It's up here. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up.
Look, we're not holding her. She's walking all over the place. That actually kind of worked for a second. Let her pull up on it.
Come on.
Uh-oh.
Stand up.
I'll just edit out the rings, and it'll look like she's walking everywhere. Uh-oh!
You so crazy. You so crazy. Get back up. Get back up. Up. Hannah.
I think she's... Don't pull her, see, she just stands up. There she goes. It looks like one of those things they put horses on where they walk around the ring.
A harness?
No, where they tie it to like a center post so they can make it walk around. Stephanie, I hate to tell you, but she's got your coordination.
No. Hannah, come on, jump up.
We said we're never going to put one of those leashes on her, but I'm rethinking that now.